Hi, I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose, California. Today I'm going to show you how to make your cell phone number show up as private or blocked when you call somebody else. A lot of people these days, especially if you have a cell phone, if you have a cell phone or you have caller ID at home, you will be able to see what the phone number is when somebody calls you. There is a way to block that so that they don't see what that number is. You can have it show up as private or blocked. That's the two things that it will say when you call that person using what I'm about to show you. What you do from your cell phone is you dial *67. I'm going to do that again. That's *67. Then you go ahead and proceed and dial the regular phone number that you're trying to call. So I'm going to call my store *67, and then I dialed the country code and the area code. You don't have to do that if you're calling somebody who's in your same area code. You can just dial *67 and then their phone number. So I'm going to hit the green button for go, because it's calling right here on this number, and it shows right here, private caller. I'm Ben from the Cell Phone Broker in San Jose. You can check out our webpage, myspace.com/cellphonebroker.